Welcome back to another MCC quick tutorial. Today we'll be going over the Knowledge Center, your go-to resource for the latest product information and much more. To get started, let's head over to the Knowledge Center shown on the navigation bar. The Knowledge Center will be the central hub for all the resources you need. In the navigation bar under Knowledge Center, we'll find useful sections including new product introductions, product catalog, and much more. Now let's dive into the Knowledge Center. You can head to the Knowledge Center homepage by clicking Knowledge Center, shown on the navigation bar, or by clicking Learn More. Our Knowledge Center is here to expand your knowledge and optimize your designs with our robust library of tools, resources, block diagrams, and more. The Knowledge Center page is broken up into three sections. We have Discover, Design Resources, and Explore Innovations in Technology. The first thing we see in the Discover section is a new product introduction. The new product introduction is where we feature the latest product updates, new releases, and important details to keep you in the loop. In addition to product details, the Knowledge Center also offers blogs, company news, and more, ensuring you have all the latest information at your fingertips. The Design Resources section includes our product catalog, where you can browse our full range of products and get detailed specs. Everything you need to know about our products is just a click away. Explore Innovations in Technology will include new product announcements, applications, and educational insight. And that's a quick overview of the Knowledge Center, your one-stop destination for everything you need to stay informed. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.